Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So I get this question a lot, almost weekly. Does the impulse scanner work on crypto pairs? So it's early Saturday morning. I'm in a crypto trade, and I want to show you how it works, okay? This is the four-step scalping strategy that you've seen many a times. And, of course, we have other entry models. So this beautiful software where every arrow is 50 plus market variables before it paints on the chart. So I'm on the 5-minute chart, as you can see, okay? And the first step of this trading strategy is the 1 minute to the 1 hour all have to be trending in one direction. They are trending down. The 4 hour and the daily are also trending down. That's an extra confirmation, okay? See trend and strength, both arrows down. Perfect. Doesn't matter if it's up or down. It just has to be trending in one direction. Step 2, get a macro trend arrow. This appears on the chart, and I have my notification set up. I get a notification on my phone, and then I go to the charts to analyze, all right? Step 3 is I want to pull back now. I want to pull back to the upside, okay? And here is my 4 blue, actually 9 or 10 blue arrows back against trend, right? Against the impulse, against this in the opposite direction, and it does that. And then step 4, finally, the first arrow red back down with trend, you get in. I got in. Remember, 5-minute chart, consolidated, consolidating, boom, there's a move, okay? Now, as you have seen many a times on my videos, there's always pullbacks. So you can take profit, call it a day, or you can trail your stop loss. I trail my stop loss because I like bigger moves. You can get bigger moves on the 4-step scalping strategy. So I was able to survive this pullback, right? Then another move down. And then I trailed my stop loss, and I was prepared for this, right? I was prepared for this pullback. Patience is the key. And boom, look at this move. Look, it's dropping as we speak. So I'm going to move my stop loss a little bit, all right, and keep trailing and see if I get a bigger move this weekend. See? Everything trending down. Look at that, okay? Now, when you come in, we obviously recommend you focus on Forex pairs or even gold, silver, etc., because that's where you want to practice on first, okay? And if you think you can do this, follow the 4 steps with a little practice, you can get as good as so many members in our trading community, okay? So I just wanted to point that out. I need to get off because I need to trail my stop loss and continue to monitor this trade. If you're interested in joining us, reach me. We'll take good care of you. I've been doing this 7 years. That's it. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.